Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have to share with you today my Halloween advents, and I am behind because I've been under the weather and I have tendonitis, so I am really behind and I have to play catch up. So, let me start with my two different types of stitch markers from Ellie Leva. So, I'm going to open a few from there. So there's 1, 2, 3. I'll open 4 from one and 4 from the other. So we'll get started. Just bear with me. So then there's 1, 2, 3. That's the key ring. There's 4. And I forgot to grab the keyring out of this one. And then the keyring out of that one. Okay. So, one of these is Halloween and one of these is scary movies. So, let's get started. And then after that, I have another one. Another type of advent to show you. So, I'm kind of excited. So let's get this started. So these must be the Halloween ones. So the first one, because like I'm all about Halloween, try not to blow it out. Oh, come on, is an eyeball. If I get it to turn around. There it is. Oh, it's a green eye like Froggy. Love that. There's 1. If they're numbered, I can't tell. I don't have my glasses on. And I'll go on to this one. And oh, that's adorable. Come on, lay down. It's a black cat. Here it is. So we got a black cat. And then this one. Hard to tear with my tendonitis hand. Alright. And get it to lay down. Oh, it's a ghosty. I like that. Love all things Halloween. They are magnificent. Absolutely magnificent. And then the last one for this one, for today, is a hat. And that is so cool. Now on to the second set. I'm going to open 4 of those real quick. Oh, this is so, oh, it's so up my alley. It's a hatchet. It's a hatchet. I love it. I love that. Did I just do that? Okay. I love the hatchet. That's amazeballs. That is definitely up my alley. Alright, come on, open up. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is so cute. It's Jack Skellington. Sorry, my light might be blowing it out. And the next one. is... Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I love that. It's Jason. And one more. I'm going to put the key ring with it. I'll put them on the key ring after I record. That way I'll have them all set up. And then this is so cute. It's Chucky. It's Chucky. Alright, and then I've got an advent from Hearts on Fiber, which is super cool. And it's from Hearts on Fiber, and it says Danger. Start opening on Friday the 13th. And since it is the 17th, I am a little late. And get my tissue paper out the way. He's got a card. And it come like this. So we are behind. Or I'm behind. So I need to get out 1, 2, 3, and 4. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh. And 17. Oh my. And I'll close that up. And I'll set it down. Okay, now I'll read the card real quick. Okay. It says, "You're in Karrotboo. Thank you for ordering the Halloween Countdown yarn box. Open the first box on Friday the 13th, and I hope you enjoy your one-of-a-kind, especially curated box." And there it is. So, here we go. We're going to open box 1. And I have no idea what's in these. I've never even opened them. That's beautiful. Look. It's blowing out. Here it is. There's from box 1. Okay. Let's see what's in box 2. Box 2. I'm excited. Oh, box 2. Oh, look. Look. It is a cat, and it's an enamel pen. So there's box 2. Box 3 is a little bigger. So, oh, there's box 3. Yeah, okay, make sure that's box 3. So, it's bigger than 1. Here's 1 and 3. Alright, let's see what's in 4. This is exciting. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's yarn again. Oh, 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 there is 4. There's 4. And let's open 5, and I'll hold up the yarn. Alright. Oh, 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 stickers. Make sure I got them all out. Stickers. So there are stickers. Okay. There is a dog. And another one. And another sticker. I guess it helps to turn it on its side. Those are brilliant. I love the stickers. And I love the yarns. These are really pretty. Those are great. And the pen. And I love all the stitch markers from Ellie. They are fantastic. So, stay tuned for tomorrow for another Advent opening. It'll be a whole lot shorter. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.